In this video, we'll help you identify your bonsai tree species. All tree species can be used to grow a bonsai from. This includes broadleaf evergreen, deciduous and coniferous tree species. Some species, however, are more suitable because they grow smaller leaves by nature. Knowing what tree species you have is crucial to take care of your bonsai properly. An indoor bonsai, like the ficus, has a very different set of guidelines than, say, an outdoor bonsai like the juniper. The most popular indoor bonsai tree species include the carmona, the ficus, the jade tree and the Chinese elm. A few popular outdoor bonsai tree species include pine trees, the juniper and the Japanese maple. Let's take a closer look at these 7 tree species so you can identify what bonsai you have. The ficus is an incredibly popular tree species used for bonsai. This tree is often shaped with an S-curved trunk. The tree has oval and dark green leaves. The carmona, or Fukian tea, has small dark green shiny leaves with tiny white dots on the upper side. The jade tree is also known as the portulacaria or crassula. It often has a fine branch structure with thick, oval, succulent leaves. The Chinese elm, or Ulmus parviflora, often develops a fine ramification with small leaves, which makes it a very suitable bonsai plant. Juniper bonsai trees sold at large stores or garden centers are often Japanese garden junipers, or green mound junipers. The green foliage, reddish-brown bark and silvery white deadwood is very appealing. The many varieties of pines are very popular amongst bonsai growers, and is often the first thing that comes to mind when someone thinks of a bonsai tree. The Japanese maple, also known as the Acer palmatum, is a very popular tree species used for bonsai. It is famous for the beautiful colors of its leaves in fall. If you have a bonsai that doesn't look like any of these 7 tree species, you can use the ID My Tree guide on Bonsai Empire. You will find the link to the guide in the description of this video. First, select your type of tree: broadleaf evergreen, deciduous or coniferous. In these categories, you will be able to find your tree species by looking at the shape and color of the leaves. What tree species would work best for you depends on where you intend to place it. When you intend to keep your bonsai indoors, make sure to select the tree species that can be kept in the dry and warm environment of your living room. A good option to begin with is the ficus bonsai. If you like to keep your tree outside, for example in your garden or on a balcony, make sure to select the tree species that can be kept outdoors. A popular and very strong tree for outdoor bonsai is the juniper. Learn how to create your own bonsai trees by enrolling in one of our online bonsai courses. We explain techniques like pruning, wiring and repotting, and you can ask questions to the teachers. For the curriculums and free lessons, go to bonsaiempire.com/courses.